I'm so excited to be here, sharing experiences and insights with fellow users and consultants.
I'm very happy to be here to learn new things, to increase my network with very interesting Asprova guys, and also to help my company with new ideas.
I hope to get some nice information today and get inspired.
Great opportunity to share experiences with my colleagues around the world.
Hi to everybody and welcome to this year's Asprova Summit.
Asprova is an advanced planning and scheduling tool that helped us a lot in our operations in order to optimize the way that we work in production.
We work for José Cuervo, the biggest tequila manufacturer in the world. As you know, we have a very complex supply chain, and also this randomness is very tricky and gives us a lot of issues.
Currently, when we make a plan, we need several hours and several people. And with Asprova, we press the button, and after around 30 seconds, we do have an overall plan for the whole factory.
We can easily identify our bottlenecks, balance workloads, and improving communication between production and production planning.
Asprova is kind of giving us the opportunity to be a better company.
And they have great consultants, actually.
My favorite thing every year is the way that consultants transfer the information and the knowledge of Asprova that we can adopt and use in our facilities.
I think, Asprova accumulates more than 30 years experience, and most of this success is just because this kind of events.
Everybody's pretty much at the same place, and I guess I'm amazed how the different industries implemented the software.
And we also got a good overview on how Asprova can be differently used, and we're going home with a lot of new insights and ideas and motivation to improve our use of Asprova.
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 Asprova. Asprova.
Asprova and tequila.
I like this one. Okay.